you might be wondering a little bit more about the Anvaigo Checklist app and how you can make it even faster and easier for your team to get started. Well, look no further than the admin side of things. So I'm Kay from the Partner Care team, and let's take a look at that. I have my iPad in front of me today, and we're going to specifically look at what we call our admin app. So here is where I can both manage and create any of my checklists directly on my device instead of in my Dynamics. It's a lot easier for me to take advantage of that AI features that are running in the background and then just talk to my app and have it create the checklist for me. So what I'm going to do is I really just have one button here. I'm going to start managing my checklists. Here I can already see 3 possible checklists that I can work with. They are active, so these are things that the team is using already. So maybe I don't want to make those amendments right at the moment while they're working, but they have asked me to create a new checklist for them to work with. So I'm going to go ahead, hit this little plus button, and dive in. We can see right away I'm already given a good overview of instructions. I want to be working with natural language when I'm doing things. I have several different field types that I can tell the computer or tell my AI, these are things that I'm needing, a yes, no question, a date and time, a signature field, and it can work with those as well, and some possible examples. I also know how I can amend my checklist. It's really great to have that instruction right up front. But I already know how to do that one, so I'm just going to go and hit my little microphone button and talk to the AI and tell it exactly what sort of checklist the team is working with or is needing to be working with. Please create a checklist for a new employee key handover. This needs to have a time and date field. I have number of keys that should be handed over, as well as 3 specific keys where I need to be yes, no questions. That should be front door key, office key, and the warehouse key. Please also add 2 signature fields. The first signature field should be the employee signature. The second should be the HR team signature. And yeah, I already know exactly what the team is looking for, the points that we need to have for us to work with that checklist. So I can just talk to my app and then have it do all of the work in the background for me with that AI capability. Perfect. Oh, look, it's even decided I need some mandatory fields. Date of handover, time of handover. Didn't think maybe that should be mandatory. That sounds good. Number of keys. Here I can see I have yes, no questions, front door, office, warehouse. All right, sounds good. Employee signature, HR team signature. Also looks good. Ooh, I didn't actually know the name of the person receiving the keys, so I actually need to amend this. Here I can see that right off the bat. So I'm going to go ahead and hit that microphone button again and see what it gives me. Please add an additional first question. The first question should be name of new employee. Perfect. All right, that checklist looks pretty good to me. I want to make sure that I get this pushed out to the team as fast as possible so they can start working with it, and definitely making sure that all of those points are there. So I'm going to go ahead, hit my little synchronization button to push everything back to my Dynamics manually. I'm not running an automatic synchronization at the moment, and then we'll take a look at what that looks like on the Dynamics side. All right, so from here, I am in my Business Central, and I really want to go and view my checklist templates. All right, so now I simply need to find my checklist. Names of checklist, names. Oh, there we go. Checklist for new employee key handover. And I can go, and from here, I can review all of those points that I'm working with. Name of new employee, date and time of handover, number of keys. That all looks pretty good. And make any amendments I would like. For example, all of these fields are mandatory fields, but I want that to be mandatory. And here I can just go ahead and make some additional points as needed. Those don't need to be mandatory. Maybe I didn't hand them over. But that all sounds good to me. So from here, my checklist has been approved by me in the back office in Dynamics and my Business Central, and I can go ahead and release this, activate this, send this out to the team, and get them started working as fast as possible. So that's how the admin side of our Anvaigo checklist makes it really easy to use that new AI functionality and get your team up and running with their completely configured checklist to fit exactly their needs as fast as possible. To learn more, just reach out to me and my team, and we're happy to talk.